back. I'm Jen from Jen's House of Six. I know I don't normally start out in a vehicle, but here I am. I'm running some errands today. I had to go to the DMV. Not my favorite place to go, but it's really close to the thrift store that we have here in town that I really enjoy. I always find something good at it. It's so funny because I've been selling things on Facebook Marketplace because our home is smaller and I feel like it's kind of closing in on us sometimes. So I had to get rid of some things, and then here I am at the thrift store again. But it is nice to just look. So I grabbed myself a drink and I'm gonna go in and browse, and whether I come out with anything, I'm not sure, but I thought I'll just bring you guys with me today. So let's go thrifting. I'm back from the thrift store and I hope the lighting in here is good. It's the only quiet-ish space right this second. I didn't get a lot at the thrift store, but I got some items that I feel are going to be very useful for my home. So I'm going to show those stuff. These clear little storage bins. I think these are so great for the refrigerator, and yeah, these are scratched, but it's okay. I still have to wash all this stuff. These have the little grip on the bottom and they're great for the refrigerator to put like my kids' snacks or, you know, little drink pouches and stuff in here, and it just makes it great. Or I could use this in a drawer. Everything was half off when I went, so this was only $1.50, which is a really great deal because these are anywhere from $8 to like $12 something at Marshall's because I just bought some. So this is a great deal, and I literally just bought them from Marshall, so I'm going to take them back because now I have this. So it saved me money. And then I did get one more. The only thing I did notice is usually these have like a little rubber thing in here and they're missing, so hopefully they'll still work good, or maybe I could add it onto there. We'll see how it works. I think it'll just be fine, and this one was only 50 cents. And they're very nice and sturdy, thick plastic. I don't normally look at the books, to be honest with you, because when we moved, my husband loves to read, and so when we moved we got rid of a lot of books. And now he usually just reads books on his phone, but there's some he didn't want to get rid of, you know, he kept. So I started to look at books because I would like to pick up some really gorgeous like home decor books just to look through for the fun of it. And I found this one, and this is a very nice thick book, and it has lots of wonderful photos in it and just everything about Italy, which I would love to go to Italy one day. So I thought I'm gonna get this book, and it would be a great little book for our homeschooling, so we can go on an adventure to Italy while we're sitting in our living room. So this one was $3.99 and it was half off, so $2 for this huge, very nice book. And then also usually they have like this. Doesn't this look nice? If I took the cover off, it would look so nice just sitting out even. So multi-purpose home decor. And another book that I picked up is this one. It's called The Book of Paper Cutting, and it has more than 100 projects in it. And I didn't get this one for decoration. I got this for my daughter because she likes to do things like this, like paint and draw and color, and I thought she might enjoy doing this because it gives you step by step of how to do things and cut things out. Like, look at that, how neat is that? So I got this one for her to play with. And this also, a lot of these, when they have these nice covers, the book, like this is actually pretty. This book was only 99 cents, so it was half off. One more book that I did get was this Alaska's Parklands, and it's another book for school. And I love that they have all the pictures and stuff in it, because if it doesn't have the pictures, my kids are not going to sit there and read about it, but if it has the pictures, then they might read a little bit more about what the picture is. So I thought this was a great find. The price on this one was $1.99, so this was 99 cents for this pretty educational book. This up, like I said, my husband loves to read, and I do have an Amazon Kindle for him and my son, and they never touch it. But when I saw this, I know the price of Amazon Kindles, and I want to say I got mine on this like Amazon flash sale, and it was, I think it was around $50, so it was expensive, but I figured it would save their eyes and everything. So it didn't have a charger, but I know I have a charger, and it has this wonderful little case. It was only $2, so I thought I'm gonna take the chance to see if it works, and if it does, I'm gonna clean it up and give it to my mother-in-law because she loves to read. So I'm hoping that this really works. This is not like a beautiful haul, but it is a very useful, I would say, yeah, is that the right word? Useful items is what I got today. So this is a very sturdy plastic basket, and baskets like this are like $8 at Walmart or Target, and this one was only $2. So it's super sturdy. And so I grabbed this for storage. The next thing, I got this for my daughter. Isn't it so pretty? It has pretty little lace detail on the sleeve, and then on the bottom it has this lace detail, and it's a wonderful like red little crushed velvet. It was $2, and she actually already has one of these, but it's a smaller size than this. This is like the next size up, and this is a really great to throw over like spaghetti strap dresses. And it makes it modest. Like she don't have to wear a shirt under them, because a lot of them are like smocked, so they're very fitted, and then the little spaghetti straps on the shoulders. And to make it more modest, instead of having to wear a shirt under it, she could just throw this over it, and it gives it makes it super cute. So I picked that up. We may not even keep that, but I thought for $2 it was worth I can't even believe I bought these, because I wasn't going to like buy dishes. But when I seen the style of them and the price of them, I had to get them. I picked up these, they look like hobnail glasses, and it was so $3.99, so $2 for 4 of them. So I spent $4 and got 8 glasses, and they all match, and there's no chips in them. And I have been using mason jars for our drinking glasses, and they keep disappearing. I don't know what is happening to them, but I thought these are all matching, and they're really cute and old-fashioned looking, and I love the detail on them. I didn't wash any of this stuff, so they're not sparkling. They're very dirty, but I did look them over really, really well, and they do not have any chips around any of the rims. They're just in perfect condition. And for $2, if some of these go missing, it's okay. To find 8 matching glasses in perfect condition, besides being dirty, was a rarity for $2. So I went ahead and got those. Actually $4 for all 8. Item is this wonderful, very sturdy basket. And I honestly am not a fan of the color. It's kind of a burgundy-ish wood stain. You could tell they put stain on this basket. So I'm going to try the oven cleaner hack, and I'll show you guys how that goes. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put this yet. I kind of have an idea. I just don't know if it's going to fit. But baskets are expensive, and so I only paid $3 for this basket, and it's a really great size. So I'll show you guys what I do with this. What did I spend at the thrift store? So I spent a total of $19.91 for all those items, and then I got a coupon for 75% off all of the clothes on Sunday, which I never go on Sunday because they're so extremely busy, and I don't like leaving the house on Sunday because we go to church. I don't like going. We have service twice, so I don't like going in between services. I just want to rest, you know, the day of rest. But yeah. So if we were in need of clothes, that's a good deal. I spent less than $20, just barely. 9 cents, almost made it there, but I say thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are literally the sweetest. And I know when you make videos and put yourself out there, there's some people that are just so rude, and they use their energy to go into being rude and trying to ruin other people's day. And I haven't had that. I haven't had any rude comments, and I'm just so thankful. I know that I'm not always going to be exempt, and there probably will be, but I haven't had any, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my videos and to comment. Like, it is just so sweet, and we really appreciate you guys being here thrifting with us and doing a little bit of life with us and catching bits and pieces of what we're doing around here. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video.